Hi everybody, Master Trainer Jennifer Nicole Lee, who's ready to get heavily meditated with me today. You know what, sadly enough, a lot of people jump to medication, to vices, alcohol, drugs, other things that soothe the worry. Well, I'm here to help you get heavily meditated. As a woman of faith, believing in God, I really love to connect to my higher power and help my VIP tribe worldwide do the same. I'm really excited about our online coaching program here. Now, guess what? If your April looks like this, that's not good. You need to make sure your April is just peppered with all the workouts. The workouts are now up. The April calendar is available for you to download, print off, put somewhere so you can see all of our amazing, wonderful workouts and also fun online events. I'm working on the master class. It's going to be a wellness master class. How to reduce stress, get your mindset right, foam rolling, active recovery, the best supplements to help for your muscles, because you know we are working our bodies here at JNLVIP.com. Now, progress reports are due. Some of you guys have already sent those in. Wonderful. I love to see the progress reports that you gained energy, stamina, endurance. You gained resilience. You also gained strength and tenacity. Did you lose inches? Oh, yes, you did. Did you transform your fear into faith? Yes. Also, I love that you said you transformed chaos into confidence, into clarity, fear into faith. Just knowing that you were able to work on your goals and work on yourself and just focus, hone in your focus on what you can do, not what you can't do, which leads to nowhere, which leads to stress, and then it leads to just a downward spiral. We're here to spring into the plan of action with your wellness program. Increase your lung capacity. You know, I've always been a proponent of working on our lung health, and that's what is going to be at the core of our VIP wellness day today. It's so exciting to get together around the world and to breathe and get our praises up. When you have your praises up, the blessings come down. I'm going to be sharing a personal miracle that happened in my life because I still believe in miracles. If you believe in angels, angels will come. The VIP tribe, we vibrate higher. We are here to support each other. So you know what? I'm excited to share my progress report tomorrow. I'll be updating everyone with that. So this is the last day of March. Let's finish strong and jump right into April. April showers of blessings. April showers brings May flowers, okay? So I love that I am heavily meditated. I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't pop pills. So let's get heavily meditated today. Get those praises up and say thank you, God, for another day. And I want to tell you about the benefits of the Deep Detox Sexy Sculpt and Stretch. You're going to have increased flexibility. You're going to have increased muscle strength and tone. Improved lung capacity from all the breathing, the 3, 6, and 9 breathing exercises that I'll be doing. Also, you're going to feel just so youthful again. You're going to maintain a balanced metabolism. You're going to balance your hormones. Weight reduction. Yes, thank you, Susan. Hello, everybody. Improved athletic performance. Protection from injury, which is really important. You're also going to decrease your stress. You're going to get Zen in not 10 because we go to full for 60. But many of you have enjoyed the Zen in 10. So we're going to put some of that motivational I am. It is the last day, so it's going to be a lot of I am strong, I am bold, I am blessed, I am highly favored, I am protected, I'm in tune with the healing energy of the universe. I am now part of the positive shift, the learning lesson. I am part of the solution. It's going to help relieve anxiety. Many people that do my classes say, you know, you really helped me get a hold of my anxiety. That is so important. I'm so blessed to be able to say that and put that on my accolades. That's probably one of my biggest accomplishments, when someone emails me, one of my VIP sisters, and say, you help my depression, my anxiety, my stress. Improves your heart health, which is important. And it's also going to help really fight depression, because when you are worried, you cannot do anything. We're going to take a mental vacation from all the stress, and we're going to help reduce any chronic pain. Maybe you're sore, you can't get to your masseuse. Well, you're going to give your whole mind, body, and spirit massage. and it's going to help you sleep good like a baby. So join me at 8 a.m. Not tomorrow, but on Thursday, we're doing our first virtual e-classroom. We're going to be covering Reclaim Your VIP Power and Unleash It. I'm really excited. We're going to be continuing with the exercise, chapter 5. So I'm excited. Remember, guys, take care of yourself. We will be using the Pilates ring. We will be using your foam roller. And I'll be posting later on today our new wellness masterclass clinic going down in April, okay? And don't forget, today at 1:30, I'm so excited to be sharing a candid, fun conversation with Brooke Gillespie-Trout, our best-selling author who pumps so much positive energy to our group. So that's going to be fun. It's going to be right here on my main Facebook page. And if you're not a member, take your $1, invest it in yourself for the first 30 days. I keep my prices really lean and low so anyone can come in. And then it's only $24.99 after that every month. And it's nothing but results. You get all of the nutritional support, you get all of the challenges, you get all of the workouts, you get the access to the library, the community, front row friends supporting you, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful group of women. Go to JNLVIP.com. Let's do this. Let's get heavily meditated. Woo! I'll see you guys at 8 a.m. I believe in you. Hello! I believe in miracles and angels too. We are miracles and angels. Love you.